Vlogmas. Who's excited? I think I am, because it's December. We're 25 days away from Christmas. We have good stuff coming. Well, I know how good stuff, but hopefully you guys are off to a great start in December. I am so excited to do Vlogmas this year. I don't know what this Vlogmas is going to look like because we don't have a lot of plans of going places and doing things. But either way, you know, if we just hang out at home, then we just hang out at home. And I hope you guys enjoyed either way. For today's agenda, we have to go to the storage and go take back all the stuff that's there. That's all the Christmas decoration stuff because I already finished decoration. This year I decided I was not going to decorate the outside because I just didn't feel like it. So we decorated just the inside, put our tree. It looks cute. I think it's perfect for what I wanted. Oh, we're also going to take back his bike and then just kind of straighten up around the apartment. And yeah, I just wanted to say hello. It is 10:48. I take naps on Wednesday now. I'm not a nap taker. I don't like sleeping. I think sleeping is a waste of time. However, because I wake up early to take my sister to work and I go to sleep late to stay up with Francisco, I get tired. So I've discovered that if I sleep midweek, like a little nap, then I'm okay for the rest of the week. Also, I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever and talked to the camera because I've been doing it on my phone, so it feels weird to be holding my camera up. But yeah, I'm excited for this Vlogmas. I hope you guys are too. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It helps my channel out so that way we can grow together. I did have a goal for this year. Don't think we're gonna reach it. I wanted to reach 1,000 subscribers. However, we're at 415, I think, 414, which still makes me happy. That'd be exciting if I could get my subscriber count up. So if you enjoy these type of videos, just, you know, stay here, hang out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do Vlogmas all the way till New Year's or if I'm gonna stop at Christmas. So we'll see how things continue as we move along and we'll decide. But I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have. All right, so I have this container that what I'll do is I'll make a whole pot full of plain oatmeal or plain oats that are the rolled oats, and I will put them with almond milk and then just let them boil. Once they're done, I put them in here and I put them in the fridge for whoever wants them, and we just eat them throughout the week. But they don't have any flavors, any added sweetness, nothing. So what I sweeten them with is the maple syrup from Costco. This is one of the best ones you can find for your price. For quality, you want it to always stay 100% pure and for it to be organic. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this in a bowl and I'll warm it up because I like warm oatmeal. So I also have been really liking this blend right here. It's from Nutiva, and it's a Superseed blend, which comes with, let's see, there they are. Flax seeds, organic ground chia, organic dried coconut, organic coconut sugar, and shelled hemp seed. And this just adds like a really nice flavor to my oatmeal. And then I'll top it with this granola, which is from Referral Market. It's the cocoa hazelnut, or cacao hazelnut. And those are the ingredients. Where are they? Right there. Super clean. And it adds a little bit of a crunch to the oatmeal. So I added more milk to it and I put it in the microwave for about a minute. And that is the oatmeal. I think it looks very pretty, very appetizing, and it's very, very healthy. Almost like a dessert for you.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light.
I forgot that I was vlogging. It is 4:30 and I went to pick up my sister. Just got home and I'm starting on dinner. And for today's dinner, I'm gonna make chicken enchiladas, but I make them kind of like a casserole, so it ends up looking kind of like a lasagna enchilada, which is like the easiest way that I've found for making it. So I'm using the cookbook, the 5 ingredients semi-homemade meals by Bobby Parrish, and right here is his recipe, which has the 5 ingredients, whatever. And I really like this enchilada sauce, the Siete enchilada sauce, because it's super clean. So it has very few ingredients. You can find it pretty easily. I think Target carries it, I want to say. But I have 2 jars ready to go. And pretty much what he says to do is put a cup of water, half a cup of the enchilada sauce, some salt, and then throw it in the pressure cooker. Well, that looks weird. For 12 minutes on high, and then once it's completed, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then you shred it and make the enchilada sauce. So I just have it in there for now, and then I'll do the rest. I'm not going to do it like he does it. Like I said, I'm going to do it in a casserole, so I'll show you guys that once the chicken is ready. I'm going to put some black beans in it, and then maybe corn. I forgot to show you guys that I made this green salsa. So basically what I do is I put like a bunch of cilantro, and then avocados. Usually I'll do like 1.5 avocados to 2, but I had 1.5, so I added that. I added some lime juice. I usually use the natural, like real one, but I had this one. I just want to use it up, so put that in. Put a little bit of olive oil, some salt, a clove of garlic, and a serrano. I don't like using jalapenos because jalapenos are very inconsistent, so I put in a serrano, but it came out a little too spicy. And my sister can't eat spicy, so I ended up taking this out, which is frozen avocados, and I'm hoping this will defrost and I can add it and it won't make it as spicy, so we'll see about that. Then I have a tomato out that I'm gonna chop and just put in here for the toppings. And then I ended up finding some corn in the freezer. It's like half a container, so I have that, and then the black beans. The sauce is ready to go, and then I have these tortillas. These are the almond flour tortillas from the Whole Foods brand. This is really good, or you can use the Siete almond flours as well. So that's what the chicken looks like in there. And I already started to preheat my oven at 400. Let me get a fork. Nope, we're gonna put it back in. Alright, so I went ahead and chopped it up, and I'm gonna put it for another probably like 10 minutes because it's cooked. It's just not like how I like it. So Alright, so here is the shredded chicken, and I added a little bit of the little sauce from the enchiladas, and I'm gonna start putting them in here. So I went ahead and put a layer of just the enchiladas, and I'm gonna start layering everything, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Alright, so this is the finished enchilada. I ended up topping it with some tomatoes, sour cream, and a side of the salsa. And these here, my mom used to always eat them when I was young, and now I found them and I started eating them too. They're the hearts of palm, which are actually pretty expensive, and I didn't remember they were expensive. I guess they're like a treat. So they're basically the inside of a palm tree, I believe. But they taste so good. Kind of like an artichoke butt. That's kind of what it reminds me of. But I just put lemon, salt, and oil, and that's what I'm going to have. And yeah, it looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Did you try it? Yeah. Is it good? Did you try it? How is it?
It's very good.
Francisco had to destroy his because he needed to have it cool down really fast. But anyways, so yeah, we're going to have some dinner. Okay, so it is about 9:30. And like I said previously, we're not doing anything. We're just gonna relax, probably watch some YouTube videos, edit this vlog so you guys can see it tomorrow. And I think that should be it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 1. We didn't do a lot, but that's probably gonna be what all these days will be looking like, although we do have a few things planned. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.